Let's take one more exercise in SolidWorks. This is simple exercise, but it is important. Now look, all dimensions are in millimeter. Now here we have three views: top view, right side view, and we have one isometric view. This is actually we created with front view. So this left side I am going to consider this side, okay, and you will see this is top view, and this is you will consider front view, okay. So I'm going to start with top view. You will see here this corner radius 11.5 and center to here 52.5 plus 15, okay. Now this distance 31.5, and if you are going to calculate from this end to this end, 32.5 plus 32.5, this is going to be 65, and here you have to subtract 13, so this is going to be 52, okay. And the thickness you will observe here 10 millimeter. See, now I'm going to choose any top plane, sketch, activate line tool, and start somewhere here and make sure the line passes through origin. Okay, I'm going to do something like this, and if I'm going to back, see the line is converted into arc. Exit. Right click, choose, select and exit. Now here let's create important relation. So press shift key, center origin point and this line, and make here important relation, constraint midpoint. Select these two lines equal. Now select this center point and this origin point. It must be in one line. So make sure vertical. Now select this curve, tangent. Both ends should be tangent with the connecting line. Smart dimension. Now this dimension going to be, let's say, 32.5 into 2 minus 6.5 into 2, enter 52. Now distance, this is going to be 11. Now distance from here to here 32.5, and distance from here to here 52.5 plus 15, and see circle, and there is a one circle hole at center, so let's create this hole. Smart dimension, define this 11. Extruded boss base. Now look, start condition we will keep same, because in same plane we are going to start extrude the body. Direction 1, from here you can change the direction, so I am going to keep move upside, and this one depth 10 millimeter. Say okay. Let's uncheck, and I am going to apply the view so it looks more. Now here is okay, this is we missed 11.5, we will change it 31.5, okay. Now let's create this center one. You will see here from the top view 14, 19 from here to here, from center to here 15. You will observe, and total length 47.5. See, then later we will cut 120 degree. You will see here. Okay, select the sketch, double click 11.5, enter, and this is also 31.5, enter. See, this is fully defined. Select this face, sketch. Now I am going to select here line. The same thing I am going to start from this end to this end. Now taper line, go back to the line and see the line is converted into arc. Connect. Press escape key to out. First I am going to select this curve end point, tangent, this point tangent. For a reference, let's say connect this center of this arc to origin, escape key. Now make vertical, select vertical, okay. One more important relation, select this line and origin point and make here constraint midpoint. Smart dimension 14. Now this length given 15. Okay. Now distance from one end to center it's 19. Okay. Extrude. Now 47 millimeter from bottom. So here 47.5 minus 10 because these thickness are 10 millimeter. Say okay. If you select this face, hold shift key, select this face, you will see at bottom 47.5 total length. Now at center, okay, we have to cut this one also, but at center there is a hole, counter bore hole. You will see counter bore diameter 20, depth 15, and this hole 14. You will see it in dotted line. You will see here also. But let's cut this one 120 degree. Okay, let's make a hole. Hole wizard. Now I'm going to choose here legacy hole. Type counter bore. Okay, come down. The main hole diameter 14. Okay, depth. Here choose next or through all, no matter. Next means this phase is next. So I am going to keep next. Counter bore diameter 20 and depth of counter bore 15. Position. Now select this face. Now see the tool is activated. Now place somewhere here. Press escape key. Now select shift, origin point and this one and make constraint horizontal. A vertical. Smart dimension 15. Look, it seems fully defined. Say okay. If I am going to check section view, see, right plane, sketch, circle, a line, activate line tool from this end to this end, drop down, connect, again connect, connect. Now we created one close profile. Okay, smart dimension. Now first from here to outer distance 15, angle 120 degree. Now these lengths are not given in drawing, so we will consider this is a symmetric cut. So I am going to select these two vertical lines equal. Look, go to feature and activate extruded cut feature because I want to now in this case we have more than one close profile, so you have to select in selected contour. Keep cursor, select, again keep cursor, select. Now see here, keep end condition through all both. Say okay. Look, this is trimmed. Now there is this one 15, 45, 22 from this end. Okay, and the depth thickness you will see here equivalent to hole, so 14 millimeter. Okay, so right plane. Now drop down and choose hidden line visible line. Now connect with this line, connect, exit, smart dimension. Now distance from here to top point, delete. (15 millimeter). Let's define angle 45 degree. Okay, now one more thing, distance from outer edge 22. Let me uncheck. Okay, go to feature and activate rib feature. Now you will see first thickness, either move one side, another side or mid. I want to flow material both side equally, so keep mid. Depth 14. Now look, the arrow move upside, so flip material side. Look, the arrow going to downward side. Say okay. and here, see. Now we done. Material, what material? Steel AI SI 1020. This is density 79 kg per cubic meter. Edit material. In steel you will find this. See, mass density 79 kg per cubic meter. Let's apply, close. You will see the preview. Show real view. Now I am going to apply this polished plastic view. It looks okay. Here we forget to add these wings. You will see these wings 32.5 from outside 11 and the depth 12 millimeter. Now select this face, sketch, activate corner rectangle, press escape key to out. Now select origin point, hold shift key and select this line and create a constraint, make midpoint. Smart dimension, select these two, 32.5, 11. Okay, now there is a hole, so I am not going to extrude all because it will be block this much portion. So select this line, hold shift key, select the another one, convert entity, trim entity, power trim, just press and hold and drag and delete this one also. Okay, we have this one and this one close. If I am going to delete this, there will be a relation problem, so undo and let's extrude. Now here more than one close profile, so you have to select. Now depth 12. You will see here merge result, say OK, and this is the R result. Thanks for watching.